Okay, here's the little vacuum here. What's nice is that you can break it down and it serves as one to, let's see here, you can pull it off like that, and so you could do your car, or if you need to do the furniture or something. It's kind of cool. Let's see, just snap it back in there. Okay. There we go. That's back in. Alright. Turn it on. Okay, that's high right there. Here. Not great swiveling action there. There you go. That's the little vacuum here. Again, it breaks down so you can use it in the car. It took probably about, out of the box, about 45 minutes for the battery to get fully charged. So I'm going to see how long it takes to run it all the way down. And I'll add that in my review. Okay, there it is. Oh, you also get a couple of attachments with it. You get your crevice tool, or basically you put that on there to be your two-in-one tool. You get a little cleaning brush with it, a little bag, and of course you get the charger with it. But yep, that's it. That's the little vacuum there.